It's really good to see that AI security is taking the center stage. We are seeing the influx of AI security related tools almost every day. GPT-Zero is one of them. GPT-Zero is the leading AI detector for checking whether a document was written by a large language model such as ChatGPT. GPT-Zero detects AI on sentence, paragraph, and document level. This model was trained on a large, diverse corpus of human written and AI generated text with a focus on English prose. GPT-Zero has already served over 2.5 million users around the world and works with 100 organizations in education, hiring, publishing, legal, and much more. Now, in order to start using it, you can simply sign up at their website, and once you have signed up, you'll be presented with this dashboard. Then on the left hand side, simply click on AI scan, and then you can enter your text which you want to scan, and then it will scan on the basis of the right hand side option which you have selected. Now basic scan and safe scan is already selected, which comes with the free tier. But if you want to go with writing feedback, deep analysis, plagiarism scan, which is actually the most useful one I believe in out of every five, you would need to have a paid account. You can also use their APIs, which you can obtain from left hand side in order to use it in your SDKs. And you can also collaborate with your team on this. Let's start some of the text which I will grab from my own blog, and then we will try to see how it works. So you can see that this is my blog post which I wrote around this year in January 25th on my blog, fahadmirza.com. I have copied it. Let me take over to GPT-0. I will paste it here, and then let's see if it is able to detect it or not, at least in the basic scan. So let me run the scan on the right hand side. I will let it run so that we see the speed. You can see the speed is quite good. Okay, so I promise you I wrote it myself, but it says that the probability of AI generated is 93%, and and it is very confident in that, and human is only 2%, and 6% is mixed. I'm not sure what exactly is meant by mixed. Now, there is further analysis there. I guess this orange one or yellow one shows the AI generated one, and then there is nothing which was written by me. Okay, now it seems that 41 by 41 sentences are likely AI generated. Okay, so anyway, um, I don't think so that is the case, but I will let it be there. Anyway, so interesting. Let's try out another blog post. Let me go to my website. What should I do? I'll just try to grab something with the maybe this one, the coding one. Okay, let's try out this one. So I have this is just a small blog post which identifies Oracle database orphan sessions. Let's see if it is able to what it does with here. And I'll try to, yeah, this is good. I have simply pasted it. Let me run the scan again. Okay, so in this one, again, 32% human. And then, so you see, so whatever English is there, it is just thinking that AI has written it. And then if I scroll down, so then the query is, it was unable to do with the query one. So anyway, I think really needs some improvement there in my humble opinion, because in most of the cases, it is, I mean, whatever English text is, it is still thinking that it is written by AI anyway. Now on the left hand side, if we click on documents, I think you can also select the documents, and then there are some, I guess, few of the, what exactly is that document is, maybe what the report is that my own stuff which I just did? Yep, it is the thing which I uploaded. It has created the document and report out of it. Just remove it, go back. Now you let's see the usage stats. So two documents, these many words I already have done, and then this is my usage. So it will reset next month. If we click on API, and then we can just check the API subscription plans. So you can have 300,000 words each month with $45, which is okay. But I really want to make sure that first I am 100% sure the quality is good. And then you can obtain the API keys from here. Now, there are a lot of use cases which you can be done. For example, you can use, wherever you suspect that the text is AI generated, because we all know that AI generated text has proliferated into education, certification, hiring, recruitment, social writing platforms, disinformation, and beyond. So, tools like GPT-Zero can really help in highlighting the possible use of AI in written text. So, as per GPT-Zero's documentation, they primarily focus on classifying AI use in the prose, and their classifier is intended to be used to flag situations in which a conversation can be started, for example, between educators and students to drive further inquiry and spread awareness of the risks of using AI written in the task. Now, GPT-Zero also works across a range of AI language models, including ChatGPT, GPT-3, Llama, and also there are a lot of other AI services which it covers. Now, GPT-Zero is, according to them, is the most accurate AI detector across use cases, and they say that this has been verified by uh, independent sources like TechCrunch and others. Also, the good thing is that GPT-Zero builds and constantly improves their technology. In their competitor analysis, they have found out that not only does GPT-Zero performs better, some competitor services are actually just forwarding the output of free without additional training. The thing is that the nature of AI generated content is changing constantly, and these results should not be used really to punish the content creators. So I believe that tools like these are good, but their result is not the final verdict on that one. So, because the accuracy of these models increase as more text is submitted to these models, because it is learning from our own text. So, as such, the accuracy of the model on the document level classification will be greater than the accuracy on the paragraph level. So that is the main thing. So maybe why that is why my very small blog post was flagged. In both cases, I think if you give it the whole thesis, the whole document, the whole book, then it will be able to make more accurate on verdict on this. And as I mentioned, that the accuracy of their model also increases for text similar in nature to their own data set. And while they train on a highly diverse set of human and AI generated text, the majority of their dataset is English prose written by adults, and their classifier is not trained to identify AI generated text after it has been heavily modified after generation. So, also, their classifier can sometimes flag other machine generated or highly procedural text as AI generated. So, more descriptive portion of text should be handled carefully. I will drop the link to this tool in video's description. Let me know what do you think about it. As I said, use it with caution. Don't take it as a final verdict. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.